Today I will show you how to unlock the speed limit of the Tongsheng TSDZ2 e-bike engine. This is the engine, battery. This is the xh-18 LCD type. So to unlock the speed limit, you must press for almost 3 seconds both buttons. 1, 2, 3. There you are. Now, with the information button, you change every value of this table. So this is the diameter of the wheel. The second is the assistance of 6 kilometers per hour when you have to pull your bike, and this is the speed limit. So you can change the speed limit. Max speed 25 kilometers per hour. When you use a bike off-road, you can change this value up to 45 kilometers per hour. This is the unit kilometers. This is the number of magnetic that works with the speed sensor. In this case, I have one magnet there. And the last one is the mode of the display. Night, that is black. Day means that it's white. I prefer the black one. When you finish your setting, you can push the power button, and there you're done. So if you like this video, click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.